Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a bit of problem solving, a little bit of simple addition and subtraction, and also how we can calculate a perimeter, which is the distance around the outside of a shape. All right, let's get into it. This question is asking us what is the length of the red fence. Being given this top edge is 12 meters, this side edge is 6 meters, this bottom edge is also 6 meters. This side we haven't been given a measurement, and this edge also we haven't been given a measurement. We can see that this shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 edges, and the perimeter, since it's the whole distance around the outside, is going to be 12 meters plus 6 meters plus 6 meters plus don't know yet plus another don't know yet plus 2 meters. Obviously that 12 meters goes there, that 6 meters has gone there, this 6 meters has gone here, this unknown value is there, this unknown value is here, and this 2 meters is here. Then we have to work out what these two values are. The first one I'm going to look at is this length here. Okay. Now we've been given this length from the top to the bottom here, which is 6. And we've also been given this distance from there to there is 2. So I'm going to start with this piece and then I'm going to take away this piece, which is going to be equal to 6 meters, take away 2 meters is going to be equal to 4 meters. So we can put our 4 meters in here. For our other unknown measurement, which is this one here, we've been given this for 1, and we've been given this one here, but we don't know this one here. So we can see that 12, this full one here, take away this part, is going to leave this part. So I could write it as 12 meters, take away 6 meters. And we know 12 take 6 is 6, so we've got 6 meters, and we can put that in here. Now we're ready to calculate our perimeter. So we've got 12 plus 6 is going to be equal to 18, plus another 6 is going to be equal to 24, plus another 4 is going to be equal to 28, plus another 6 is going to be 34, plus another 2 is going to be 36. 36 meters is our final perimeter. I'm just going to remove the arrows again so we can see our original shape. And I've just dropped a grid in so that we can see it more clearly. And this time I'm just going to check my answer. So I've got 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Yes, our distance around the outside is 36 meters. Let me know if you'd like me to drop a link to a similar activity for you to do on your own. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.